Hey first graders, this is Mr. Fries, and we're going to do another math problem with my dog Scoop, and this time she's going to bring some of her dog friends along. Read carefully and pay attention to the numbers and what the question wants you to do. Scoop fetched 6 tennis balls. Lucy fetched 2 tennis balls. Sully fetched 4 tennis balls. How many tennis balls did they fetch all together? Use a drawing, a number sentence, and a statement to match the story. So let's see what Scoop and her friends think about this problem. So there's a picture of Scoop and her friends Lucy and Sully at the park. There's 3 of us, so there should be 3 add-ons. So it looks like we're looking for a total. So right now, have your teacher press pause and try this problem and find out how many tennis balls did they all bring over to me. So we're going to add them all up. Okay, first graders, so the first thing we need to do is use a drawing. So I'm going to make Scoop have 6 tennis balls. And again, I'm going to draw that like a 10 frame. And I know in a 10 frame, I'm going to draw 5 balls on top. And since it's 6, I'm going to draw 1 more below it. And I'm going to write the number 6, because I'm really writing an addition sentence. Lucy grabbed 2 balls. I'm not going to put those in a 10 frame. I'm just going to draw them next to Lucy. And then Sully, well, I already used an S for Scoop, so I'm going to use SU for Sully. And Sully brought 4 tennis balls. So I'm going to grab each of those and draw the picture. And then I'm going to finish writing my number sentence to go along with it, because this question wants a drawing and a number sentence. So Scoop's got 6, Lucy's got 2, and Sully's got 4. And so what this picture helps me do is to fill in my answer. And I know my answer is going to go in this mystery box, and since I need a statement to go with it, I want to know what's my question about. It's about some tennis balls. So I'm going to write the word tennis balls. If I don't know how to spell tennis balls, I can always go up and look in my sentence and write it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine some of these things. I'm going to take however many balls Lucy has and try and fill them in. And I think if I fill those in the 10 frame, it's not going to fill it up. But think of this. I see 2 numbers that make 10. I see 6 and I see 4, and I know those numbers make 10. So what I can do with Sully's balls is I can take them and I can have them fill in my 10 frame. So every time I add a ball over here, I'm going to cross one out from Sully, bring one over, cross one out, bring one over, cross one out, bring one over, cross one out. And what that does is now I've made 10. So I have 10 balls with Scoop and Sully, and I know Lucy only adds on 2 more. Well, this is an easier math problem for me now, because I know 10 and 2, I keep my 1 in the tens place, and I add 0 and 2 in my ones place, so I should have 12 tennis balls. I used a drawing, I wrote a number sentence, and I made a statement, 12 tennis balls. And really the key again, make 10. When you find numbers that make 10, circle them. Let's see what Scoop and her friends have to say. Ooh, they got some facts about tennis balls. They love tennis balls. Did you know tennis balls are covered in felt? More than 150 million square feet of yellow felt was used to make tennis balls last year. A blanket of this would cover almost 6 square miles of area. To me, that's like driving down Harry L. Drive all the way to Airport Road from here. Have a good day, first graders.